Apostle Nganga, James Nganga.
Yes, you are suing him for what?
For services rendered, work done and services rendered, legal services rendered, which includes the initial contract with him for me to handle this matter for him. Apart from that, we had to look into the issue of the complexity of the matter. Apart from the complexity of the matter and the nature of the matter, he came to me not because of him knowing me, because me and him have never been friends, we don't know each other. I came highly recommended to him. So therefore he knows that he has to pay. He called me by himself. I met him at Regiment Club in Nairobi, in Upper Hill, where we had a discussion with him, and immediately instructed me to start work. At that particular time, also he instructed me to work with his PA called Ngige. That is the only name I know for the time being. And he also asked me to be able to ensure that the matter does not, maybe if at all, go to court, because at that particular time he was denying and saying that he was innocent. So while I was working on this matter, and we've done all these things, I also helped him out in the issue of the DNA, which was going to cause a problem. And the police were trying to force him to go for DNA tests. They also wanted to have his handwriting taken so that they could compare the specimen of his signatures and the documents that they had found in the motor vehicle. Apart from that, at that particular time when they wanted to put him in custody, the intention was to lock him up in Milimani police station, but I spoke to the officers and we understood, because these are officers I know, and they put him in Gigiri police station, which was near Limuru court where he was to be taken, a very comfortable place. And the advice given to him. Apart from that, also we had discussed the issue of the specimens they were going to get from his motor vehicle and his clothes, which we also discussed and advised him accordingly. And well, the nature of the work in total.
About how much?
So we have sued him for approximately 5.1 million shillings, which he knows that he can be able to pay, and which is within his means. And he cannot say that he's a poor man. When you want legal services and you come to the best, you also know that you must pay the top dollar or the top shilling. So he cannot now come and say that he did not contract me, because through the lawyer Kioko Kilokumi and Company Advocates, he has been able to respond to my letter and say that he never contracted me to work for him in this case.